S9 is here. The Galaxy Note 9 packs a bigger screen than ever before, along with the usual upgrades in power, style, and camera technology. There's an awful lot more going on under the Note 9's hood, so from the latest DeX news to all the S Pen's new features, here's everything you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. You can check out our Galaxy Note 9 hands-on review for our impressions of the phone. The Note 9's bezels have been slightly slimmed down, but the two phones are almost the same size. The Note 9 is a little wider and thicker, but not as tall than the Note 8. The skimpier bezels allow for a larger screen, raising it from 6.3 inches on the Note 8 to a 6.4-inch display. CPU, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 memory, 6/8 GB storage, 128 512 GB micro SD storage, up to 512 GB screen size, 6.4 inches resolution, 2960 by 1440 connectivity, Bluetooth 5, NFC battery, 4,000 mAh size, 161.9 by 76.4 by 8.8 mm weight, 201 grams, 7.09 ounces, operating system, Android 8.1 Oreo. The core of the camera tech in the Note 9 remains the same as the Galaxy S9 Plus, with two 12-megapixel lenses on the back, and an 8-megapixel lens on the front. Embedded in the primary lens is the same variable aperture technology from the S9 and S9 Plus. Essentially, the camera can switch between f/1.5 and f/2.4 apertures based on lighting. The f/1.5 aperture will help provide better low-light photos. The signature of the Note range has always been the S Pen, and Samsung has really thrown hard into that little stylus this year. Taking memos on the Note 9's sleeping screen is back, and it's got a new twist this year. The color of the writing on the screen is determined by the color of your S Pen, yellow for the ocean blue Note 9's yellow S Pen, and purple for the lavender purple model's purple stylus. Want more? Samsung is embracing the artificial intelligence, AI, revolution as the camera app now comes baked with AI assistance. With scene detection, the camera can identify up to 20 different scenes, and the AI will tune the exposure, color, and contrast to deliver a better photo. Samsung fed the AI hundreds of photos until it understood what a sunset or a mountain was, for example, and now it will know what changes to make for your photo to look exemplary. You can turn this off if the results are not to your liking. You'll be able to pre-order the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 on August 10th, with official retail sales starting on August 24th. It's available in two colors, lavender purple with a purple S Pen, and ocean blue that comes with the fetching yellow S Pen. Pricing will start at $1,000 for the 128GB model, while the 512GB version will retail for an eye-watering $1,250. Samsung has confirmed that AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, US Cellular, Verizon Wireless and Xfinity will be supporting the Note 9 on their networks, and you'll be able to buy the Note 9 outright at a selection of retailers, including Best Buy, Amazon, and Samsung itself. Samsung is offering various pre-order bonuses as well. Customers can pick between 15,000 V-Bucks for Fortnite, worth $150, or a pair of AKG noise-cancelling headphones, worth $299. Alternatively, if you're really rolling in the cash, you can get both bonuses for $100 extra.